Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BOO token. Now the BOO token is brought to you by Ghostly Ghosts, powered by Layer Zero. Ticker symbol is BOO1, and this token just got listed on a central exchange. Now keep in mind the actual ticker symbol is BOO. But on this new central exchange listing, there probably already was a token on this central exchange with the ticker symbol BOO. So this will be listed as BOO and then the number 1. And yeah, it just got listed today, December 27th, a brand new token listing. We're going to go over the information on the BOO token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into the BOO token here. So this token is on the Solana blockchain. So it says BOO is the official omni-chain token of the Ghostly, powered by Layer Zero. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, December 27th, 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BOO, and then simply just buy the token. It is BOO1. You would search BOO1. So the actual ticker symbol, though, is BOO. Now, this token, you can check it out on their Solscan. And they have 4,158 holders so far. So ticker symbol on the Solscan is BOO. On MEXC Global, it is BOO1. Most likely because MEXC already had a token with the ticker symbol BOO on it before, and they don't want you to be confused. There's 9 decimal places on this token, and there is a current supply of 999,994,037.41 tokens. So it most likely started out as 1 billion and is a deflationary token and now is a little bit less than 1 billion. Now their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there. So it says the first omni-chain NFTs on Layer Zero Labs. So that's interesting there. So this token is on the Solana blockchain, but it says their NFTs are on Layer Zero. They have 453 tweets. If you go over to @GhostlyGhosts, it says 7,710 ghostly ghosts emerged from the cold spot. So this is an NFT project, basically, where they have all sorts of different NFTs. Now, if you click on their link tree that is linked on their Twitter there, on the link tree, you could find a link to their Telegram. Now, on their Telegram, which is @GhostlyGhosts, they have 1,431 subscribers, so they're doing pretty well on the Telegram there. They have Ghostly Ghosts on Discord, so you could join their Discord group. They have Medium articles. They have how to chain traverse sections, like a how-to guide. And then they have a marketplace where you can buy and sell and trade your NFTs. So, Ghostly Ghosts, the first omni-chain NFT, the first ever transaction on Layer 0 was just 2 weeks ago, and the Stargate protocol already supports $3 billion plus in total value locked. So Layer 0 unlocks massive potential for innovation and transforms the user experience in crypto as we know it. Currently, there is no way to truly have an NFT on any chain other than the NFT source chain. Bridging your NFT using Wormhole, for example, does not yield the real NFT on your destination chain. Instead, it locks the real NFT in a Wormhole contract and gives you a synthetic replica NFT on the destination chain. So recently, I've noticed, because I review a lot of crypto coins, what's been popular lately is BRC20 tokens. There's been a lot of those that have been very popular lately, like, TurtSat. I did a video on MMSS. There's too many of them to even name. But BRC20 tokens. Solana and Solana tokens have been very popular, like Ponky, all the Silly Dragon, all these different meme coins on Sol. And then Layer 0 has been very popular lately. I did a video on OmniCat was one of them, but there's been a few other videos too that recently that I've talked about layers. So those three things I've noticed have emerged as very popular in the past month or so. Ghostly Ghost is the first truly omni-chain NFT. So it says, let's look into what this means through an example. Let's assume there's an NFT collector by the name of Ligma. Ligma decides to mint his NFT on AVAX, perhaps to save some gas fees. He later decides he wants to use his ghost as his PFP on Twitter, which currently only supports the Ethereum mainnet verification. So he uses the Layer 0 enabled traverse chain function on AVAX with the destination chain set to Ethereum. The result of his traversal is the official Ethereum Ghostly Ghost NFT. Ligma's NFT can now be verified by mainnet as an asset as the Ghostly Ghost Ethereum contract. Ghostly Ghost is a proud CCO NFT collection aiming to pave the path of a community-owned chain-agnostic asset. Like many other NFTs, Ghostly Ghosts derives a portion of their value from the fact that they can be integrated into future games, applications. The unique benefit of Ghostly Ghosts, however, is that the potential for future integration is no longer bounded by the realm of a particular blockchain. So omni-chain NFTs are the future. This will become more and more clear over time. We believe that Layer 0 has built what they have built has opened the floodgates for a whole host of new possibilities in the NFT space. With Ghostly Ghosts, we are excited to show a tiny sliver of what's possible in the omni-chain world. So that's really cool there. Now that's their one and only Medium article so far. They actually don't have a web page yet, the Ghostly Ghosts, the Boo token. No web page, but they do have Medium articles, Twitter, Marketplace, Discord, and then how to traverse all in their link tree there. So go check out that Twitter. And let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there and check out all the referral codes, especially that MEXC Global one where this token just got listed today. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.